This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
From the Aishan Broadcast Studio, it's What's Treading, brought to you by Hunter Engineering.
Hello and welcome to What's Treading with Tire Review. My name is David, and on today's episode, we are speaking with Steve Bourassa. He is the Nokian Tyres North America Director of Products, and the reason he's on the show is because Nokian Tyres has a brand new UHP tire. It is the Surpass AS01. Let's talk about it. Let's get to the interview. Steve, thank you so much for being on the show. Really appreciate you talking to me about Nokian Tyres' brand new UHP tire.
My pleasure, Dave. Nice to have me. Thanks for having me.
Of course, of course. So can you kind of just lay out kind of the basic general specs of what drivers can expect from this tire?
We have launched the Nokian Tyres Surpass AS01. This is an ultra high performance all-season tire that we are bringing to both US and Canada. We're targeting high horsepower sedans and modern powerful SUVs, as well as a big segment of electric vehicles with higher speed ratings. These are the target vehicles that we want to go after that clearly have a need for some additional performance, and we're bringing a really great product to the market, some significant improvements over our previous product, something that consumers can expect, great performance, great mileage out of, and all kinds of additional benefits that we can talk about as well.
Fantastic. And so correct me if I'm wrong here, but I believe the last UHP tire that Nokian Tyres debuted in this part of the world was the zLine AS in 2016.
Correct.
Are you intending to kind of replace that product with this new one, or are they going to kind of live side by side?
No, actually, the zLine AS has been gone for a couple of years now. So this is a eventual replacement for that product that we're happy that we can finally bring something to fill that product segment and sort of balance out our product offering for North American consumers.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Now, one of the big things about the Surpass AS01 is, in reading about this tire, you're very proud about the amount of silica that you were able to incorporate into the actual product. And so, from a layman's perspective, I'm curious, what does silica actually bring to the table as far as performance is concerned?
Well, what we're really proud of is the rubber compound that we were able to bring with this product. We went through, dozens of different trials of different compounds, and really one of the big elements of the compound that we decided on was the silica element of it. And I think, most industry people are at least familiar with that term. People have heard that before. And for us, it was a different approach that we have taken in the past with a really high quality version of the silica and a higher silica content that we've used in some previous products as well. The benefit for that, we can bring with higher silica content, we can improve the wet traction, we can improve the wear resistance, we can improve the winter grip, and at the same time also improve rolling resistance with this particular compound that we've developed. It does create some challenges for us. It's not all rosy, especially on the manufacturing side. Silica does, create some challenges. You have to add other chemicals to that compound so that it works properly and it bonds properly with the polymers. And then as well in manufacturing, it's a little bit more challenging, to get those compounds out. The extrusion is a little bit different. And let's put it in layman's terms, as you put it, if you think about silica, it's typically like a granular sand type of material. And if you throw that in a mixer, the wear on all of the equipment is a little bit higher. So, it is a bit more challenging for manufacturers to use that type of silica, but the benefits far outweigh the risks in this case. So we were happy to do it for the Surpass.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's really interesting. So, silica obviously is a great addition to this compound, but you can't add too much, is what I understand you're saying, because it can lead to other challenges.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm no chemist, but yes, from what I understand, it's always finding that right balance and mixing the right chemical compounds together so that they work sort of at their best.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, Nokian Tyres, of course, has this really great reputation in the marketplace as far as winter performance is concerned. How much of that DNA is found in the Surpass?
Well, what I'll say is, I mean, we also have a great reputation, particularly in Europe, for, summer performance products. And the Surpass really takes more from that European performance heritage than it does our, winter Hakkapeliitta heritage. We really wanted to bring a product that was, not only performing on some of those higher horsepower and performance types of vehicles, but we wanted to bring performance and comfort at the same time for our target vehicles. I mean, if we think about Mercedes C300 or Mercedes or pardon me, the BMW 3 or 4 series, those are sort of common vehicles that aren't necessarily on the track. People want them to perform well, but they also want to be able to daily drive them. So that was really more the heritage and the basis for the product that we were bringing in North America. I mean, with that, of course, we have to take into account what consumers in the US and Canada are looking for. And
Sure.
It is all of those sort of performance and comfort aspects, but mileage is critical for the North American consumer. And we emphasize that with a really strong, not only mileage warranty, but we're very confident about the performance of it. And then, of course, it is a bit of a different animal with winter as well. So we certainly don't ignore winter. I mean, we're Nokian Tyres, so it's as you said, part of our heritage. So we put this product through the winter paces as well. And although it's not necessarily, there's going to be better winter products out there. We make a lot of them. It's something that will be acceptable if you either get caught in a shoulder season in a surprise snowstorm. It does perform reasonably well in those sort of light winter conditions.
Fantastic.
Presented from the Aishin Broadcast Studio at Babcock's Media.
And you mentioned that strong mileage warranty. What is the mileage warranty on this product?
55,000 miles or 90,000 kilometers.
Gotcha. Now, kind of speaking of that, in Nokian's marketing materials for this product, we see a lot about durability and the fact that this is a very durable tire, which is impressive when it comes to the UHP segment. Obviously, in a lot of cases, you're going to have drivers who are really pushing these tires kind of to their limit. So having a really durable tire is very important to them, but I would imagine it's also difficult to achieve. So how do your engineers make sure that they're producing this tire that is going to be durable and last for these drivers who might be pushing their tires a bit more aggressively than other drivers?
I mean, durability can be taken in a lot of different ways, and maybe we already talked about one of them. I mean, one of the aspects of durability is that mileage capabilities and producing, that's both a mix of the tread compound and the tread design that help to bring the mileage that consumers are looking for. The other part that we're bringing durability is in the aramid compound that we're adding to our sidewall. So aramid is a very strong material that we replace one of our fillers in our rubber compounds, and it adds mechanical strength to the compound. Really, and we're talking about pothole protection, for example. If you're running over potholes, this is the type of material that can help prevent the typical road hazard that we would see from driving over the potholes. So that's one of the ways that we've helped to improve the durability of this product over the previous one, and something that will clearly benefit the consumers with some peace of mind that, hey, I can run this in the roads that I see every day, no matter how good or how bad they are, and drive it with confidence throughout the season.
Absolutely. And so, there are, of course, a lot of UHP products out there for consumers to kind of compare and contrast. What is your elevator pitch to dealers as far as, kind of separating this tire from the rest of the pack?
Sure. Well, I mean, Nokian Tyres is, a premium brand. We make excellent products. So we can bring tier 1 level of performance and consumer satisfaction with this, really at a more value price. So when we're comparing, up, we have a really great sort of, offering and value proposition for those consumers. But it truly is something that is going to surpass the expectations of the consumers. It's a really excellent performing product and something that will be a step above, perhaps some tier 2 or some tier 3 competitors in the market. So we're confident that dealers are going to find, a good way to sell to that consumer, make money on that sale, and have happy consumers for the lifetime of that product.
Excellent. And I know that this tire was just recently launched, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. When can dealers get their hands on this product? Is it widely available now?
It certainly is. Absolutely. We have, quite a bit of inventory already. We've been ramping up our inventory prior to the launch. So, there's lots of availability in our warehouses already, and we are today ready to ship those out to dealers.
Oh, that is excellent. Excellent. Well, Steve, thank you so much. This has been very eye-opening to me. Very interested in watching this tire and kind of seeing it, in your words, kind of surpass and, surpass expectations. That'll be fantastic.
Thank you, David. Appreciate the time.
You too. Thank you very much. All right, that was fantastic. Always great talking with Steve, and really appreciate him giving us the rundown on the Surpass AS01. My biggest takeaways here, we've got the aramid fibers in the sidewall, we've got the pothole protection, the durability of this tire, the tread pattern, the compounding. There is a lot of really advanced engineering going into this tire, and I'm just really excited to see how it is accepted in the marketplace and how consumers react to this product. It's going to be a lot of fun. So thank you all for joining us today. We'll catch you next time.